Hi everyone, welcome to my craft room. Diane here. I'm so happy to meet all of you. This is my first time filming my face. I'm not sure how comfortable I am with that, but we'll see how it goes. You may see more of me, you may see less. Yeah, I just wanted to come on and film. I've just finished cleaning my craft room and purging. So much purging, actually painful. Um, I was following Kara Brandon's Let's Get Organized 2022, and I was sorely, desperately in need of some organization and some cleaning. It just, it gets overwhelming after a while. I like to have all my stuff out so I can see it and use it, because that's how I get inspired, but after a while there's too much stuff and it needs to get put away. So I think I've calmed the chaos a bit, and it's most definitely cleaner. I've moved some things around as well, so I think it's going to work a little better for me. Just like the first thing, the bookcases behind me were stacked with stuff. Like, I was embarrassed to even show you a picture of how stacked those things were. But it's looking better. We've turned a corner, and I'm going to attempt to change my ways. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, there's a fly in here. How did you get in, Mr. Fly? Okay, anywho, I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to start filming the craft room so you can see what the after looks like. Thanks. Bye. Not bye. See you in a minute. Hello. Here's the craft room tour I've promised you. So clean, so organized. I'm in love with it. Look at that desk. It hasn't been this clear in literally ages. I moved my tools over to the right because I'm right-handed. It made more sense. I don't know why I had them on the left. That looks so nice. I'm going to start you around. We're going to turn around and look in the closet here. This is the back of the room. I have some yardsticks hanging on the side. And this is our game closet as well. Those are our games. We have 2 bookshelves in there and then 2 carts in front of those. So I've organized... Let's see, this first cart has items that were given to me or I made, some ephemera, some cutout items to use and pictures to use, and then the bottom is a stash of ideas for videos and things to make. The other cart has ink on the top, and then there's some ink and refillers there, and the third level there is some things that need to be fussy cut. So whenever I go out to the recliner out there, I just take one of those with me and cut some stuff up. And then these carts also have a nice holder in the back that can hold rolls. So on this one I have different wallpapers, and on this one I have some wrapping papers. Scooch these out. You can see on my shelves, that's where my organizer lives that I showed you in the other video with my little cutouts in it. I've got a holder down here with Scrabble letters. That's where all the Scrabble boards came from. Okay, and we're gonna move around. That's just a light, an extra light. I've cleaned up the cubbies and reorganized them. I think they look so great. We've got glues and cutting tools here. We've got sewing supplies, painting, hand tools. You know, you never know when you're going to need a measuring tape or a hammer. And then sitting in front of the cubbies here, I have this rainbow cart my son got me for Christmas, just in time to organize. So nice. And I have my label maker sitting on top of it. Some people wanted to know what kind it is. It's a Brother P-Touch. It's very easy to use. It comes with great directions. So I have my desk here. We've seen how clean that is. And I wanted to show you, sorry, trying to move slowly. Some people had asked about my camera setup. So I want to show you that too. On the shelves above my desk I have this clamped. I found this on Amazon, not sure where, but it just screws on the bottom here. It clamps right onto the wood, and then it extends up and out. Now you can adjust this and move it around, do whatever you need to, get closer, get further. This ring light did not come with it. I found this at Walmart for like $10, $15, and I just velcroed it onto the swing arm there. And the other modification we made is I have this HDMI cable. This hooks into my camera, and then it's zip tied and attached to the shelves, and it comes to this monitor. And this makes it much easier for me to see what I'm doing when the camera's on. The viewfinder on the camera is just much too small for me to see in, so this is a very nice addition. Okay, and then we're gonna... Well, one other thing I wanted to show you before we swing around. I have my inspirational ladies up there. I cleared that shelf off to have them be up there for me. So nice. Okay, we're going to swing around. My ribbon racks, you saw these in the other room tour video. I love them. My husband made them. They're still full. More cubbies with things. We have my beautiful sewing cart that I love on wheels. It just plugs in and I can slide it right over to use it. More cubbies. I'm very excited about this. I made a little mailing station with some envelopes and stamps and stuff there, so I can do all my correspondence right there and send it out to the mailbox. Then we come over to the door. This was a viewer suggestion for my punches. I have this pretty shoe organizer that was mesh. I found this at Walmart as well. And I've just organized them loosely by shape or type. And that works so great. And then this idea is from G. Kerr. It's a hook on the door, and I have these book rings, and I have bits of lace safety pinned together, and I can just cut off what I need. These are my smaller pieces that don't wrap around for the lace boards that I did with the Scrabble boards. And the red things hanging back there are some table runners. I get these from Tuesday Morning or Home Goods, places like that. They're very inexpensive. I use those for tea dyeing to give me some patterns on my paper. They're very nice. They wipe off very easily. And then one of the best things, I'm so happy about this. These butterflies were in my grandmother's ceramic studio. They were always my favorite thing there, and I got to have them. I love that they're ceramic, but she's painted them to look like they're quilted. Just so pretty. I absolutely love that I can see them now. All right, and then we swing around. We come to the bookshelves. I think they look really great now. Very organized. I've got things separated by season and type. All my books there. Some family photos. And my big candy jar of buttons. I love that. And then we come around to the last section here. I have these toolboxes. My grandmother also showed me this trick. She would corral all the small bits and pieces in these, and then you could actually see what you have. So I have little wooden bits and earring backs and pins, and like I said, I like to do a lot of different crafting, so that has been very useful for me. Alrighty, so that is my craft room, and I'm so excited that you could come along and see how clean it is. And I will see you in the next video when we start creating. Thanks again. Bye.